home of the Mizzou Tigers.
Hello? Who the fuck do you think you're calling anyway?
Yeah, Evan and Elise are here.
Hello?
Fuck you fucking fuck. What are you doing ringing my fucking number?
KWA News, this is Elise.
Why don't you speak fucking English, you packy?
I'm sorry?
You're fucking tacky. Listen to you. Don't ring my house, you little packy prick.
Hello?
You're fucking tacky. Listen to you. Don't ring my house, you little packy prick.
Hello?
Who the fuck do you think you're calling anyway?
You're calling a payphone.
Fuck you fucking dickhead. Look at you fucking prick. You're fucking life. Sad little cunt. Fucking sad cunt.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Fuck you fucking fuck.
This is a fucking payphone.
Why don't you speak fucking English, you packy?
How do you know this number?
Fuck off, you prick. You got some muffled voice. You can't fucking talk properly.
Hey, you should probably be a little bit nicer to me. I answered
tacky.
this payphone.
You're fucking tacky. Listen to you. Don't
Hey,
ring
you
my
be
house,
nice.
packy. I'll fucking slice your head off, you little cunt.
Jesus Hotline.
Hello?
Hello?
Fuck you fucking fuck. What are you doing ringing my fucking number?
Huh?
Who the fuck do you think you're fucking calling, you packy?
This is actually a payphone in Columbia, Missouri.
Why don't you speak fucking English, you packy?
Oh, whoa. This is a payphone on a street in Columbia, Missouri. It just started ringing, and I grabbed it.
I'll fucking slice your head off, you little cunt.
Huh?
Fuck off, you prick. You got some muffled voice. You can't fucking talk properly.
Okay. Well, time out. Hold on. I literally just heard this phone ringing on the street, and I picked it up. That's all. This is a payphone. It's a pay tele in Columbia, Missouri, United States. I have no idea why anybody would call you from this, but I just heard it ringing, so I picked it up.
Go fucking know what you cunt. I'll take your fucking head off.
Oh, okay.
Who the fuck do you think you're fucking calling, you fucking packy-sounding cunt?
Okay, sweet.
What time is you fucking are, you prick? You think you're so fucking hard? You ain't got no balls, have ya?
A what?
What time is you fucking are, you prick? You think you're so fucking hard? You ain't got no balls, have ya?
Alrighty.
Fuck you fucking dickhead. Look at you. Fuck you fucking dickhead. Hello?
There's a bomb on this motherfucking bus!
Fuck you fucking dickhead. Look at you fucking prick. Get fucking life.
Hey, this is Cordell!
Go fucking know what I do, you cunt. I'll take your fucking head off.
Hey! I am on a payphone. You're calling a payphone right now.
Why don't you speak fucking English, you packy?
I am speaking English.
Who the fuck do you think you're fucking calling, you fucking packy-sounding cunt?
Hey, are you looking for somebody that's a payphone?
Fuck you fucking dickhead. Look at you fucking prick. Get fucking life. Sad little cunt.
What the fuck is wrong with you, bitch?
Go fucking tacky. Listen to you. Don't ring my house, you little packy prick.
Hey.
What the
You know what? I'm sorry. This is Daniel.
Fucking are you prick? You think you're so fucking hard? You ain't got
You know
no
what?
balls,
I'm really
have
sorry
ya?
about this, but you did call a payphone. What I'm trying to figure out, what you want. What do you want?
You know what I do, you cunt? I'll take your fucking head off.
You what?
Fuck you fucking fuck. What are you doing ringing my fucking number?
You know what? This is crazy. Ni hao ma. Konnichiwa.
Fuck you.
Yeah?
Fuck you. Ain't you bored yet?
But, hey, you know what? You can talk to me.
Fucking prick.
You can talk to me. As long as I'm listening.
Fuck off, you prick. You got some muffled voice. You can't fucking talk properly.
What? I have nothing to do with my fuck wad. But you know what? You're calling a payphone. You're a human in distress. I'm listening to you. What do you want to talk about?
I'll fucking slice your head off, you little cunt.
Mitigate the damages.
Mademoiselle, I'm in front of Red Stamper. You want me to go inside and find him? You want me to go find, like, Quan, Tuan? That's great. I'll find him. But who is the man that I need to seek?
Look at you fucking prick. That's fucking life. Sad little cunt.
Why are you by yourself right now and angry?
I fucking know what I do, you cunt. I'll take your fucking head off.
Look at my what?
I'll fucking slice your
I'm
head off,
kind of a bit of a eunuch. I don't want to tell you.
Excuse me, we're gonna go get beer. Do you want us to find your boyfriend?
Why don't you speak fucking English, you packy?
What?
Why don't you speak fucking English, you packy?
See, I'm speaking English. Are you calling from England?
Fuck off, you prick. You got what?
Hey, Cheryl, calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. Cheryl, are you still here?
Fuck you fucking fuck. What are you doing ringing my fucking number?
What is your number?
Fuck you fucking dickhead. Look at you fucking prick. That's fucking life. Sad little cunt. Fucking sad cunt.
Who the fuck is this?
I fucking know what I do, you cunt. I'll take your fucking head off.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Fuck you.
I will fucking behead you!
I'll fucking slice your head off, you little cunt.
Who calls a payphone, you fucking British bitch?
Who the fuck do you think you're calling anyway?